Oh my God, guys, the train is coming, guys. And the test is in 2 minutes. Oh my God, guys, the train, it's so cool. We have people are crossing. It's a CSX train. I love CSX. Fuck. Oh, it's an intermodal, guys. Oh my God, guys, I love CSX. Woo! $12 o'clock. Tornado siren test. The tornado sirens are going off, guys. We have to get directions. Yes. Tornado siren test, guys. I love tornado siren tests. Let's go to the tornado siren. I hear him going off. Woo! We have to go to the tornado siren.
Head south on South Market Street toward West Parsons Street. Turn left onto East Parsons Street.
Okay, guys. Let's go to the tornado siren now. I have to get directions, guys. Alright, guys, let's go. I love the sound. I hope we get to the tornado siren in time. I don't know if our tornado siren is going off. I don't think it is, guys. Silly tornado siren. The tornado siren, guys.